Hey everyone, today I want to share a super useful feature in VS Code that I've been using for years, Workspaces. If you're working on multiple projects and don't want to open multiple VS Code windows, this is for you. Instead of opening a single folder, set up a workspace. Go to File, Add Folder to Workspace, then select the folder that you would like to work on. Now you can save it as a .code workspace file. The next time, just open this file and everything will load instantly. VS Code will remember all the folders that you have added. You can add as many project folders as you want, and boom, they are all here in one place. They can even be located in different locations on your disk. You can even reorder the folders. Workspaces let you organize multiple projects, folders, and packages inside one editor. No more switching between windows, just one place for everything. One of the best things about Workspaces is global search and replace. If I hit Command plus Shift plus H, VS Code will search through all the added folders at once. It's a real time saver, especially when I need to find similar patterns across the projects. The Go to File feature also discovers all the files I need across all added folders. I also want to show you that if I remove some folders from Workspace, the search and replace functionality still works correctly. It will only modify text in the files that are currently in the Workspace. And if you are working with multiple repositories, VS Code handles Git operations separately for each one. Additionally, to open the terminal, you don't need to know the paths of your folders. You can simply use the built-in Open in Integrated Terminal command. This is what the basics of VS Code Workspaces look like. If you work with multiple projects, this is a must-use feature. Give it a try and let me know in the comments if it helps you.